Hey everyone, I'm Anthony Cusimano, and this is Alex Restrepo. Hey. And we're talking about the Veritas Enterprise Data Services platform, specifically our protection pillar. And today, Alex is going to be showing us exactly how we set up virtual intelligent groups inside NetBackup 8.2.
Sure. And so what we're solving for here is the ability to manage a very large environment at scale.
Okay.
And so as we go back into our VMware environment that NetBackup has discovered, what we can see here is a large number of VMs, and honestly it keeps going. And this is actually a pretty small environment. But even just at a glance, do you see any patterns you can pick up already just on a handful of these VMs?
Well, I see a lot of them are not protected, but I also noticed that quite a few of them are named Oracle.
Yeah, just at a quick glance, 3 of these right here are named Oracle, Oracle 01, 02, and 03.
Right.
And so certainly at a scale of 3, it's pretty easy to go in and manually take care of them. But at a scale of 50 or hundreds, which is more likely in terms of normal environments,
right,
it becomes more tedious. And importantly, a lot of VMs are getting brought online or being deprecated. And we want to make sure we're protecting production and that nothing falls through the cracks on any given overnight protection schedule.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so what we've done obviously is solve for it in an intelligent fashion using intelligent VM groups. So we'll go over here. We don't have one yet, so we'll go ahead and create one. Let's give it a quick name. And then we can use the same for the description. Obviously, in production, you probably want to give it a little bit better description.
Sure.
Go ahead and hit Add and Protect. Right here, we select our ESXi host. And then from here, we're going to add a condition. The conditions are really where the filtering happens, right? So in terms of capturing the VMs you want and excluding the ones you don't want, conditions are how you would accomplish that. So we'll go ahead and add our first condition. And so you can see here that it starts off with a number of different potential variables. We're going to go with display name.
Okay.
Display name is a unique identifier, enough of a unique identifier, and importantly, it's human readable.
Right.
So it's very easy to understand. And as we'll see in a second, it's an easy way to manipulate these to make sure that they're accurate and picking up everything you need. So we'll go ahead and say contains, actually, because maybe Oracle might not be in the beginning. It might be in the middle somewhere. And so we'll use Oracle. We could probably shorten that to just Aura, but either way, this will cover it. And so what we can do here is just with this one condition, we can hit preview, and you see that we do have
awesome.
all 3 of the Oracle servers captured. Now we could add a second condition, and you can see here that there's a number of different names. And let's say we add some nonsense, like in this cluster starts with none. We'll go ahead and preview this particular version of it. We'll go ahead and hit data store. And we'll just give it a condition. Hit preview. Interesting. Still coming up.
It's not supposed to do, oh, I think maybe it's because you have the OR there.
That's right.
Yep.
And so we see that they're gone now. So we'll go ahead and delete the one. We'll keep the one we want, and we'll hit add and protect. And so by adding add and protect, we're actually going to go ahead and default into selecting a data protection plan for that intelligent group. And so that intelligent group will be protected by this plan that covers the storage in terms of where that image is going to go, and it covers the schedule behavior in terms of the frequency and how long we're going to retain those backups.
That's super cool.
Yeah. So in this case, we'll use the VMware protection one. We'll hit protect. So this group is now protected. And so if we go back into our VMware environment.
Oh, wow.
And so you can see here that what wasn't protected, now in one fell swoop, all 3 are protected by default.
That is super cool and easy.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah.
All right. So that's VMware Intelligent Groups.
Thanks, Alex.
Thanks.